What's up, everyone? What's up? When I said Shatawale and Stonebwoy are not really doing much about this men's gold issue, people were like, oh, bro, you need to talk to them and find out why they are not saying. My brothers and sisters, this men's gold issue, 1, is taking too long. 2, is getting out of hand. 3, even our own government is confused about the issue. They don't know what to say about this issue again. Because we go already. Already. Say, the government will catch yourself. Go and tell the public about Nana Appiah. Say, hey, minko. Obie gunenimase. How I know muji say issue webe kone ankosa obie gunenimase. Ghana government obie gunenimase from head to toe. Obie gunenimase. They don't know what to do with Nana Appiah issue no again because the main issue ni say on Babium Dubai dear or Kojo. Case no winnie yena say bibia. Shatawale and Stonebwoy. I know say mu best, and I know say mu kasa about men's gold. My brothers and sisters, it's not enough. It's not enough. We only have one Ghana. Listen, oh, we only have one Ghana. And your moja and yedi pamun bro for yedi fi Ghana. Same moja no yedi be fighting for justice. Ama Ghana. Na kwa se me na koso no. She Ghana. Nothing is moving. The whole Ghana, nothing is moving. Ejume ni be bia sike ni be bia se si ahwe South Africa mayenka se obia ndwane nko South Africa na hwe the number of youth I be dwane fi Ghana akọ South Africa come South Africa o enye UK o enye America o enye UK o enye America o bi ekwanse obia nko South Africa na hwe the number of Ghanaians o den na ekoso no edie na ekoso no edie na ekoso no. And Stonebwoy and Shatawale, you think if you come on TV, now Meka say, oh, I believe there's victory. I believe my brother Stonebwoy and Kwasi Asem, Shatawale and Kwasi Asem, you people they fuck up. You people don't do anything. When you people were shouting men's gold, Zalofo. Munim se muntia na nkofo di sikako tu ho. Munim se muntia na nkofo di sikako tu ho. Say a scammer, musuma boa ama ya scammy Ghanaians. You people too need to be arrested. That's what I believe. It's true. Oh, it's true. You people know the guy is legit. WMUPA TV so oh, we know he's coming back. And Amuti News we say, you see Nana Appiah back no, nakpa makochro. Nakpa makochro. Well done Nana Appiah. Nana Appiah winning the case. Shatawale hold it to Instagram. No, pano makochro. What I said there na kosun people for wake up then fight for one Ghana. Wake up. You know say the man will be Ponzi scheme. You know, Ponzi scheme as them we never become one same. And they come explain the whole business to show Ghanaians. And then government, who the two Ghana web, who the two baby I say Ghana is the largest gold producer or whatever in Africa. And to what you say ye Jimmy Wong. Muji say ye Jimmy Wong. Muji say ye Jimmy. Muji say ye Jimmy. So there is gold for business. And obiko ye and musi and your Ponzi scheme on your gold ejuma. On your gold, but there is gold in Ghana. There is gold in Ghana. There is gold in Ghana. So people should stop. Maybe Shatawale is quiet for a reason. Maybe Stonebwoy is quiet. What reason can you be quiet of? What reason? Tell me what reason you can be quiet for. Who say Ghana is dying? Who say people are dying? Who say people are dying? And you are telling me, say, do you think if Shatawale and Stonebwoy team up for this men's gold issue, government will not do anything in 24 hours. Government will not do anything in 24 hours. Are you telling me if Shatawale and Stonebwoy team up for this issue, if they watch this video, share this video, make Shatawale and Stonebwoy, make them wake up. Make them see this video and wake up. Make them see the video. See the way the video they follow that uncle. See the video. See the video. He said, no, they care. You know they care if they go kill themselves. You know they care. See the way the video they follow. If he cancel in shows. See the video. Go and check the video in Snap. Go and check the video in Snap. Every day, be a Shatawale and Stonebwoy. Musi, you are for the youth. You are for the youth. The youth is dying. Youth is dying. Shatawale, your account is good. Stonebwoy, your account is good. The youth, our account is not good. We are dying. Yewu. We are dying. Every day, you say you therefore you are for the youth. You there, the youth, they love you. The youth. Yes. Yes. Yes, the youth, they die. The youth, they die. Ghana, they go left. Everything be stand still. Ghana say, see, Ghanaians, Ghana is Ghana. See, Ghana collapse. Ghana is going down. Muhu, mwenye frana. Muhu, mwenye frana. Muhu, mwenye fra. Mwenye frana. Mwabe jina ho. Nana apia ye Ponzi scheme. With no proof. Till ene, no proof. And I'm a ton country, na ma China for. You have sold Ghana to Chinese people, any other countries. Ma Ghana, ama China for the gold. Every Ghana, they bia edikom chrome. They only brought excavators. They brought excavators. You go to village where you think there is gold. That's Ghana. That's all you need. You don't always have to buy gold from the government too. You don't always have to buy gold from the government too. You don't always have to buy gold from the government. Buy excavators. Go to a village. You believe this land has gold. Start mining. Galamsey. And you don't afford to make it scar. Only the number of excavators and then appear a man can find nobody to gold. Do you think say it's a fool to come and buy gold from you people you're there? $38,000. Say if gold you buy $38,000 and you only make profit of $1,000, why would Chinese people come to Ghana and do gold business? Are they fool? $1,000 mudi yede. If you buy 1 kilo of gold for $37,000 and then you make one profit, $1,000, why would Galamsey? Why would China people come to Ghana and mine gold? Why? They are doing the Galamsey. They are mining the gold. If you have money and you buy excavator, if you ship excavator to Ghana, machinery, I think that the amount you pay is like 5,000 Ghana cedi or whatever, because you declare Ijuma. If you go to a village, now mining gold in a village, and you have $100,000. You can get gold. This Galamsey for you can get 1 kilo of gold for like $5,000. I'm telling you. Don't let nobody lie to you that an appear is a Ponzi scheme. He was smart. And the guy was too smart. Would you say Jimmy Anna? Because Chinese for there, they have no problem with government. Maybe they don't have no political aspiration. They don't want to be minister. They don't want to be president. And so they should take the gold. Now there is Ponzi scheme because Usro that is winning the youth. Usro tell Ghanaians the truth. Now Usro boy no. Now Musro boy no. Cause now youth need believing no. Tell Ghanaians the truth. Don't lie to Ghanaians and paint the guy black in front of Ghana. He did what none of you could do. Nyama na napia beyano. Kede Japan unye bida. Keno Foriata unye bida. Kabio Chidaku unye bida. And amunye bisu na mube wu. Nambe chomu na kaya bremu. We are tired of you people. We are tired. Come and give us the proof. Open the pamphlet. Show us the proof. Why men's God is Ponzi scheme. Let us sit and understand. You are sitting in your office and all you do is you open your mouth 3340 and shout anyhow. You think say you're slow because more power. Who call data bank says now? Where your friend said, Foriata, data bank will pay for Munina Muguo. People that are in power with data bank, Munkuana Muguo. And you come and you say Akrani Magana for you tell Ghani and say the guy Ponzi scheme no Ponzi scheme no where is the Ponzi scheme? 5 to 10% to know. Is that your only evidence? But your records now add then namun sharing records. Our PMMC. Go to PMMC. But sharing records. Say Ghana for 56 years. Akolanu on semi gold in free Ghana. So we don't know how come the guy gets the money. Money doesn't come from anywhere. Money doesn't come from anywhere. That is why we said the guy is Ponzi scheme. Show Ghanaians the proof. Be a book no na yenche. You have it there. PMMC. Yanko says here. Yen be a pamphlet mu. The amount of gold are now much shaping. Since 6 years. 6 years. Prove what YouTube says here. PMMC for boss. In the last 5 months, Nana Pia Mesa shipping gold worth $60 million in 5 months. Which means a year, no, we're looking at $120 million. Can't no dig Ghana for. Nana Pia, I can't no dig Ghana for this year. Would you say Jimmy? Because when say Ghana for the catch him say Ponzi scheme now catch him say gold price $38,000 a kilo. And the profit of it me make about $1,000. 85 to 10% is not possible. Ghana for the omejuwe because of the omi kwasi for omejuwe the omunko school. Ghana for be brainco school and to nyaka omejuwe. And the bloggers are there. You are watching what is going on. You are not saying anything. You are blogging stupidity. And Ghanaians are dying. One my juma, inkofo ko sofa, inkofo wa broche, abe sweater, abe cleaning, abe ye tinduna, abe pipa, inkofo trumu, edi sikana bagana ko 2 men's gold. And na wo kate wa say juma no, ka say Ponzi scheme. Wa say juma no ka say Ponzi scheme. Wa mami juma, masako branya sika, ama mi dia she baby, mi nya kakra every month. Wa be go juma no ka say Ponzi scheme with no evidence, with no explanation. With no explanation, who catch him say a Ponzi scheme? And I'm also muti honum, and it's true the guy is a criminal. What evidence did they give you that the guy is a criminal? Were they not the same people that told you say Ghana ko frauding ko for Dubai? Oh, we need Dubai case, no. In Kofona Mukasa, did you see them again? Did you see them again? In Kofona, say Sombeye, Kedia Japan in Mombeye, they do what tell you soon. Have you seen them again? When's the last time Ken Ofurata came to talk again? Why are they not talking? Why are they not talking? Because they thought Sakrano, Dubai company, only Horizon for the Ome Jelino. Because Horizon is known to be a powerful company. And in Anapia winning Omuno, Obia Yedin, since today, Obia Yedin. Keodi Kan, Ombeso Munya de Omukumi. Abo, Aputo, Ewiasi, Ewo, na Ewono, Yewo Bebre. Uko Dinkwasi, Asem no Uwa, Unim baby Aoko. Udinu kreno ogunswa unim baby aoko and to choose well wisely. Choose the type of death I open. Say si obi bana pe minimo wu ami wu ye minim. Nobody has to tell me minimo wu ami wu ye. Obi abeka say he was a legend. Obi abeka say ka nokre na ekunu mame nko. Obi awewu obewu. Obi awewu make sure say onwu kwase ewu. Sa umpe for no mutigana ni omu ye no so omu wu omu ko hello. None of them may call heaven. I'll put all man I'm sorry. Omu I'll put life omu live omu ko hell omu pe yase nyame nyina ma omu nko omu ho ye wo government mu obi pese onu fi onu ma ni nua be di president or pese ni nua nso fi onu ma ni ba na embedi. Do you think say you allow somebody to chop until who you obi na you eni no ye pese ye destroy you because him say hey wan show ya kola we me ni be compete in 8 years me ni be compete in 12 years me won audio bi a circulate me won audio bi e kwa around. And Agana mu honum instead say youth no mo wake up the leaders of the youth Shatawale mu ni Stonebwoy mu wake up about putting youth together, put the youth together. Na mun go for the truth, mun go for nukra no mu ti honum na mu di ade ne ya agro, mu di ade ne ya agro. Unhu ne ekoso wo Ghana, ye ton Ghana ba mu nim, ye Ghana ne ye omu ton Ghana ba mu nim, omu ton Ghana ba mu nim. Omu tongana na openi ben and ababe explain ya beka nyansasem about men's gold ya chiro. Openi ben tell me today. Openi ben and one eka say how can police so deputy attorney general so attorney general obeba beka say you cannot bring nam one because it was so weird appeal. What is the meaning of appeal? Appeal doesn't mean they have to put you back to prison. That is no meaning of appeal. Appeal means I can stay at home and leave home and go to court. When an appeal Mesa won Horizon, they quit the case. Nana appeal Mesa does not have to go to prison again. Onubon right now he is Onukra no kita case. No, he is the boss of the case right now because Onu no way winning and the people are appealing against him. And to say I bet you bia and you no say chiom and you nam one. So don't come and tell Ghanaians say the reason why you are holding Ghanaians is because he has to wait there and go appeal. You are lying. You are lying. You are lying. Appeal doesn't mean that Nana Appeal has to go back to prison. What are you telling us? At the school Yankobi, you name the meaning of appeal. You name the meaning of appeal. You come on TV. You come on TV, the whole Ghana is watching you. Big lady like you. You tell Ghanaians, we can't bring them to Ghana yet because Nam1 has the people have appealed against. If the people have appealed against Nam1, it doesn't mean Nam1 has to go back to prison. Appeal means, okay, may we know soon here, ye meet you or court. Nana Apia can even come to Ghana for holidays, chop banku, chop kenke, chop wache, have some ekwe bemi, and go back to Dubai for the appeal. Appeal doesn't mean you have to lock up the guy. That's not appeal. You have your own intentions while you are keeping Nana Apia. Tell Ghanaians, I have my own intention. Oh, we're winning appeal. Only Dubai for near same biome. But I mean, I may keeping it because Miss Rosso be Johnny. Usa sube kasa Rosso be Johnny to her. Say Nana Apia so Johnny, you can give him a surety. Okay, offer bill bond of ABA $5 million ambe to ni yere ene ni maami ni papa embe sign say Nana Apia Johnny na ye hwehwa. I say ye nchi omo. Ye hu Nana Apia ye be chi omo. This is what you do. Now we jaboy no, now we cool the case. In conformity of the new appeal, we win you on some the new appeal. No way, Jan. Now we're fighting the appeal. Onyani Sikana. Now I catch a Ghana for right now. Nana Apia Mensah is free in Dubai. He's been released by everything. He's waiting to go for appeal. Uja boy now I can say, oh Ghana for. Whilst I'm waiting for my appeal to go through, this is how I'm going to pay you people. Maybe from next month, I'll start paying small. Everybody will start taking 20%, or 10% of their money. That is what you do. Yes, you can't put the guy in prison. Now pressing it to and then the nine say, pay people. No, you have put Nana Apia Mensah with Interpol alert in Dubai. And I'm watching Hashem. He's in cells right now. Tell Ghana. Yachino, ya deny yourself. It's because we need case no Dubai no. Why you confused? Akwana we need case no. We win case no because now we say Dubai there occur because Dubai way. Why some called Dubai? A bit assembly bet me the 6 years, 10 years. Assembly cry and frey Oshim. That is Dubai. If you don't know about Dubai, I'm telling you that is Dubai. Why some called Dubai? Assembly bet me the 6 years, 10 years. Anka Nana Apia when we need horizon for anka. Na asem anka mo boss our government why di on ka hwe biom and that is the end of it. I'm telling you Dubai. Why asem betumi alcohol num. Why asem betumi alcohol num. Asem ne be di 10 years. Na asem no Nana Apia kra ko be yira o system nim. Anko be yira that is Dubai for you. Obe yira o system nim. Akola ni ye stubborn. Akola no blessing anyame dia man moon to me you is untouchable. And akola na ya no we win case. C'est si on win case no mu di Interpol alert full Interpol alert cry share so no match or say $1.2 million for purchase of private jets, luxury cars and real estate. Non fa Interpol alert a whole country you draft Interpol alert say school ben amokoye you draft Interpol alert that didn't go through circuit court. Mun kosho circuit court we a lawyer now we shemia kosho circuit court say Interpol alert wo ha she Interpol alert wo ana mo de akoto akola ni so say fi achina she prison e wo Dubai ho twa Ghana phone intro and a Shatawale ni Stonebwoy ye interview ma na ma be gina onum I know he's a good man I know and I know Nana Apia Mensah is coming back. It is not enough. That is not what the people want to hear. Shatawale and Stonebwoy and all the other artists, you did not take time to know the truth about men's good. If you people want to know and back for the man, you would have known. And Gakofobe catch him. Me Keodi me and Nana Apia minim no one. Namwa minim no one. In Kofo se siya omuka se Keodi. Namwa's brother. Namwa onye minia. Me mami and woman in Nana Apia. Nana Apia ni mami and woman oneno. I don't know Nana Apia mother's full name. I don't know Nana Apia's father's full name. Ebi I say me who baby da, but right now I can't remember their names. I don't know them. Me nim Nana Apia mami nim ni papa. Ni yire kra mi nim ni full name. Ni bad kra mi nim ni din. Me nim say ni yire friend Rose or something like that. That is all I know. Me nim the second name. Say the second name ya Apia mi nim. Na Shatawale obeche uko bosho wie. Ana Stonebwoy obeche uko bosho wie. Na interviewer no abegina honum. Oh yeah, I know he's coming back. And I know it's bouncing back. And I know, my brother, it is not. Take your time and know the problem. Finding out how you can know the problem. And then come out and stand for the man. How many people, how many intelligent people, like Namwan and Yenyefi Ghana so far? Tell me how many people say omu to me say Nana Apia Mensah says here. Da ben biom na ekwa konyo obi to say Nana Apia. Ask yourself that question. Because Nana Apia be ye no inkofo na ye di Ghana asho mu nsem Kenofurata mutsa nyama no muye. What have they done for Ghana? That's what you have to ask yourself. What have they done for Ghana? That is the question. I don't know, you know, although I mean he's got problem, and although apparently he did Ponzi scheme, I mean he has also done some good jobs in Ghana. When we say any of them are Kasada, why? Because they have a motive. Their motive is not to make the guy look good. Their motive is to destroy the guy. Uje Kennedy Japan. No mu kase your friend say omu kase Kennedy Japan omu kase then Nana Appiah is a smart guy. Or say he's not smart. Or patches or no person Ebeka be good about guy no. Or say he's born bad, he's a bad boy. The bad boy no or the employing for over 1,000. In badness no. Ni badness no or the employing for over 1,000. Ni badness or the employing for over 1,000. Ni badness no or the yenyama be brema Ghana. Ni badness no the investi our government mu or the investi our football mu. Ni badness no. Na one badness no. Instead for the youth to wake up and know the truth, wake up, Mati, you see a Ponzi scheme. Have they explained Ponzi scheme to you? 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 I mean, blocking Kwaskevi. I bet you Kwaskevi me blocking. Have they explained Ponzi scheme to you? Government, I explained Ponzi scheme at you. The reason why I'm saying a Ponzi scheme, has anybody explained to you? Has anybody explained to you? No, they haven't. What was the meaning of Ponzi scheme no Mokacheo? What's the Ponzi scheme? What 5 and 10%? If you buy excavator, mienu sesia now call village be. Now call a plot of land, 100,000 Ghana cedi, 1 billion. Less than that, cra mamen kacho. You can mine about 20 kilograms of gold from the village. You can mine about 20 kilograms of gold from the village. Yes. You can mine about 20 kilograms of gold from the village. Opa pe excavators mienu. Nako village bi. Pe excavators mienu nako village. Na pe asasi bi where you are conviabe testing land no. Say land is rich in gold. You do know how people make money in Ghana? Do you know how people make money in Ghana? Do you think say na PMMC Beka say if you buy gold for $27,000 and you even sell it outside you get $1,000 extra. You get $1,000 extra. Do you think say if you get only $1,000 extra, like China for be good Ghana be brace or mu mine gold? Because China for they don't need government for anything. They don't need to fight for government for anything. For them, we have allowed them. Oh, you can do your mining and go. You can do your mining and go. You can do your mining and go. But because say youth, say youth, hey, na moi. Akaswa for youth, class sorry ye. So mo pese na moi nenye den, na moi nenye MP. Na moi nka so be ye MP omako ye posters. Omdi posti ka ho. Eno amudwin say akola no na wo political mind. I say there is nothing like this thing Ponzi scheme in Ghana. If you want to do gold business, you will do gold business and you will get money. The people that are sitting in the office, they don't want to go to the village. Kenofurata, he's so comfortable. He's not going to go to any village to dig gold. He's not going to go to any village to dig gold. KD Japan is okay already in life. He's not going to go to any village to dig gold. Nana Appiah Mensah can buy excavators and go to village and dig gold. And dig gold, yes. So you don't have to go and buy gold $38,000 to make profit of $1,000. If you have that $38,000, you can get like 10 kilograms of gold in Ghana if you want. So PMMC boss, you know, Unim said this movement, plenty movement to Ghana. Plenty movement to Ghana. Wabe Jinawa catch and say, I don't know how Nana Appiah Mensah can make enough profit margin to pay his workers and even give people 5 to 10%. You know, we have villages in Ghana rich in gold. People are mining every day. We have given the country to China people. They are mining every day. Do they buy gold $38,000? Do they buy gold $38,000? Do they buy gold $38,000? No, buy excavators, buy machines. If you buy one machine $50,000, two machines $100,000 from Europe, excavators, and you take it to a village in Ghana, buy land 100,000 Ghana cedi. Stay in that village. Give yourself 1 month. Dig gold. See how much money you will make. You understand that men's gold is not Ponzi scheme. It's not laziness, so it's pure hard work. It's not laziness, it's pure hard work. Nana Appiah was ready to go to the villages. What two excavators? The excavators are working. You are here saying, he's buy you. If you buy a kilo of gold for 38,000, who will come and buy $38,000 kilo? Who person nipano ombokana? Who will come and buy gold $38,000? Who will come and buy gold $38,000? Nipa no mboka. Nipa no mboka. Tell Ghanaians the truth. Don't use the Ponzi scheme as an example. There was nothing like Ponzi scheme. Ponzi scheme survived for 6 years. Ponzi scheme survived for 6 years. Missy, go to village. Go to village. If you are ready to work, buy machines. Ewo Europe, $50,000 one. To mienu $100,000. Fako Ghana. Go to a village that is rich in gold. Achim. Kenoforiata baby awufi achim. Go be brewo achim. Go be brewo. Fa excavate akosi yo. Na to asase. Enya no na China for ayeno. You think that China people, if they were making $1,000 profit, $1,500, $1,000 profit, like they will stay in Ghana? We've given the country to China for Omoba, no mas sisa skanoko, Omoba, no mas sisa skanoko, Omoba. Sa we friend says say how Gina say Ghana the largest gold producer or whatever in Africa. Even you have to say in the world. In the world. Mo pese munku amundi. Akola na ba o yusu ya resources e de ye adepa. O yusu ya resources de ye adepa mompe and amumati data bank and amasisa mu family nyina de ahye ho. Akola we ayako me pese mu later mo asemeba ba Nana Appiah mesa nyame enye de enka no wo bebi o bia mati prayer group. If you are not in the prayer group, join the prayer group. Your bomb pie say no crave pie. If you are not in the prayer group, no join the prayer group no. Your bomb pie man am one. You started here about 2 or 3 days ago. Your bomb pie man am one. And your bomb pie so Ghana. And your bomb pie man Akufo-Addo. Me my man ko for your fasting and prayers amount. Nkofo no mo around no ma ye withdraw. O ma ye withdraw na ma won to me dwin ye ho no. Untumi ndwin ye ho no na nanado me di me yem any Ghana for ya ti group ye de ye yem e to ama wo because nkofo no mo around no ma tu eduro enu untumi ndwin aman no papa enya o fault me nanado me ma me busafo nyina to ma wo me ma me busafo nyina to ma wo me ma me busafo nyina ye de e to ma wo in block e kwasibi ma block you on hwe me biom fiti na ko on hwe me biom me block you on hwe me biom this o ko hwe mo mama TV so and our papa TV so ma block you o ba ye no nkofo na e wa around no o sisa wa adwen nyina na do open na Appiah asempa me hu ni na Appiah picture da open asempa nkofo na e wa around no ma pollute me makacho na do ma pollute ba me nya Ghana ni o ya wo me wo Ghana and I still love Ghana but me need Ghana passport. Baby, me need Ghana passport. No, me need Ghana passport. Ya wo me wo Ghana o. Ya wo me wo Ghana. I love Ghana still. Ghana dia me dog. I mean dog Ghana ka me nye video we but me need Ghana jinya me passport me ni bibium. Jinya me passport me ni bi. Ma tu me dia na jinya me passport me dia na expire ye no. me ni bibiom. Jinyame passport na sa jinyame ni bu echi no. Sa jinyame ni bu echi no, me ni bi. Se Ghana for mu na me ni bi o. Jinyame passport puto. Me ba brocha menya akoko na si jinyame passport de bi me de den. My block but sa agba my blocking on hwe me biom. You understand? No, our people, them know they make sense. But because they know say the illiteracy in the country be high. What you say? Illiteracy in Ghana be high. And to be bia omubeke biano, ombetumi convince you, I'm a what jail to without thinking twice. We have only few intelligent people that will sit down and think twice. We have only few people that will sit down and think twice. But me, Jinyame passport na ye Ghana passport no. Me dear no. Me ntontwini yo, but me I gave up on it. I gave up on it. Me ka say me mpe biom. Me ba be me citizenship no. Me say me mpe Ghana passport biom. Me pe krono. Me ye Ghana ni ho na ewo me. But me mpe passport ni biom. Jina on a Ponzi scheme because that's the only thing I'm betting you use to and they are convincing Ghana for now they are closing men's gold. So you are saying Ponzi scheme. Because I don't say why I catch yourself Ponzi scheme no. Obia betinasi I a full lecture. Let me tell you something. Mamin kachemu nyanse bi na muntie. Kennedy Japan betina TV so. And on ka say obi wa America cry here the same Ponzi scheme no or it is America. Gold burn a war. Gold burn America. It is America. The person was not doing men's gold. The person was not doing men's gold. The person did not ship any gold from America to Ghana. KD Japan, a bit of education for you. Me pe wa sempa. A bit of education for you, KD Japan. Me pe wa sempa. Obejina we su ka say. Obi be here then. Obi here the same Ponzi scheme. Our America. The same thing and nipa here. Let me tell you something, Kennedy Japan. Na appear ni nipa na two different people. You understand? Nipa no yes, I we no America no. There was no gold involved. Nipa na anye gold bia. Oh na mama blocking oko. Nipa na anye gold bia. What you see? Nipa na we no Kennedy Japan. Wow, government they have records of gold and anapia mesa for the past 6 years. Your government more records no. Otia tax over $100 million. With discano. So don't compare Nanapia to that person that did Ponzi scheme in America. Ghana, there's Galamsey. Gold, you're turning fufu. Gold, cheap. Gold, cheap. Gold, very cheap. Gold, very cheap. So, Nanapia Mesa understands the gold business. Or understanding gold business. Now, Nima will be playing the cards to get gold and cheaper. Don't come online and come and call the person Ponzi scheme. When you yourself, you don't understand the business. When you yourself, you don't understand the business. Don't come and call him Ponzi scheme. Don't come and call the guy Ponzi scheme. Don't come and call the guy Ponzi scheme. Ghana for women's go customers. Yeah, good business. I catch them say or you call for a Ponzi scheme. Has Obi I explain it to you what Ponzi scheme is? One thing I mean him about broche. So Obi be ye bibi not the frauding call for. Na Ghana government per se or share Ghana for say a Ponzi schemer. They start giving people education about Ponzi scheme. They will use the person as an example. They will explain the business model, how the person started, how they managed to penetrate through. They will explain everything for people to understand. So when same thing arises again, people will not fall for it again. That is common sense. That is what every government will do in every country. Yes, so listen to the common sense. So Obi be fraudi Ghana for. Obi be fraudi Ghana for. Na obey Ponzi scheme. No di Ghana for sika. Na Ghana say or per se nkofo memma nkofo investi in such activity bioma. Ni anepa ne be ye ne say. Ni anepa ne be ye ne say. Ye be man nkofo I explain the Ponzi scheme. Ye be your TV stations. TV stations and explain the Ponzi scheme. Say the bear when say Ponzi scheme arise again, Ghanaians will see what a Ponzi scheme is. Nana Appiah Mensah did not run away. You stopped the business. He did not run away. Nobody will survive under panic withdrawal. Nobody. Nobody will survive under panic withdrawal. Nobody ever survive under panic withdrawal. What I say? Data bank, you can never survive under panic withdrawal. You can never. You can never survive under panic withdrawal. You understand? Data bank, you can never survive under panic withdrawal. You can't say somebody is Ponzi scheme with no proof. What I say? Say akra say Martin say galam say for kro mu ye adwuma biu. DKM any conform be ye Ponzi scheme nyina omo kro ma bia profit, omo ma bia tinme, omo nam ho. Nkofo be brave am be dig omo kro omo ba omo be promise say fa osika ba 4 months later no ye be double osika na ma. Omo kro obi enji 1 cedi enfi omo ho. Omo kra omo afrodi nkofo kro omo nam free. Omo asem kra wundili. Na obi o serve Ghana. She men's go nkofo omo enyom sika kra ye nkofo a assembly start ya wane happy ye. Omo no me nkofo omo enjom sika. But the people that have been with men's gold, the people that have been with men's gold for 5-6 years, unim nyama omo dis kana ye. Unim nyama omo dis kana ye. Now I'm bringing people online to come and talk their mind. If you want to come on the live video, let me know. I'll bring you on the live video. Come and talk your mind small. Me ma come here. If you want to come on the live video, let me know. Let me know, say you want to come on the live video. I'll bring you. I'll bring you so you come and give your opinion. Ghana for afi de tie Ghana for. Say you Jimmy.
What's up?
Ade, make we go.
Ali, I love one thing about you. Truth all the time. You know they lie. They talk the truth all the time, and I congratulate you about that.
Yeah.
You always they talk the truth. You always they talk the truth, and I congratulate you, bro.
God bless you, bro. God.
I congratulate you.
God bless you.
See, this country where we dey inside, some people make themselves in a way say, if you dey progress or if you dey go forward in life, they go find some ways and means so that they go bring you down. Where now we the youth, we dey think where we dey know say now we for do something. If you know be so dear, they go bring us down where they go spoil all our career. If you imagine say if you get talent where you won't come forward, look at the way the big people they bring you down. So Charlie, media every time I go on bed, I pray for you. Say, if I keep on encouraging us, if I keep on saying the truth, no one can do you anything. I swear.
Forget it. God bless you.
Charlie, big up.
Next person I bring for the live video. If you want to come the live video, comment your name. As I say, plenty of people comment their name, but comment your name, make I bring you on. Comment your name, I'll bring you on the live video. Today I'll bring like 5 people on, because Charlie, we not really get. I for go join. We dey pray, make us see the time. Hey. Yeah, we dey pray soon now. Big man.
The only big man no.
Big man, we dey.
You don't fear anybody. Kelly, yeah, what you they talk be true. Every day I say everything they talk be true. You see, say the unsensible youth way then corrupt them and mind they can't talk shit for here. Yeah, they talk every day. This type of youth with the people where they allow us make we make money for this Ghana. because they envy too much. You see, this time we are in the computer world, and some people are bringing big ideas. People like Nam1, we they beg for make we get like just quarter, just small 1/3 of one two or 1/3 of Nam1 cents. Make we take to get Ghana. People there they do what? They talk shit because of MPP NDC. You see, these leaders every time they
We don't
talk,
make
you see, say,
it.
I say it be them no. Sure, see these leaders. This kidnap girl, they know they no talk. People talk. Where they think they do something. Where rather they talk. Now one in case come when now one case come last year September when me I dey go take my money where they stop. They no fit solve this common small case. This case can be big one. Then they wait. When then they wait for what they wait for? You see, they won't make we do something where they go say Ghanaian boys be this, be that. The Ghanaian small boys, we know they respect. But the big men, they know they respect us. So, tell you, me every day, I dey talk, I beg, they know they respect us at all. So what we need to go do, we say, we will pray for Nam1. Anywhere we go pass when Nam1 go come, we go pray with them. Me, I tell my godmother that say, my godmother be distant pastor, serious pastor. I tell him, say this. Anybody he go talk say, you know they try. God go punish that person because me I see say you try rough, you try, I swear. But God will bring us out. These leaders, we for not the try. All I will talk the youth of Ghana say these leaders, we could not track them.
No, okay. God bless you, bro. Make you not talk say somebody be no for everybody they talk in mind. We they invite somebody else. Some people video no day or your team body, so I don't know how I go invite you because video no day your team body. You forget video for your team body. So say if I invite you, the video will come. Come talk your mind about the men's gold issue. Come talk your mind small.
Yeah, that's talking with
Big man.
me. Channel away. Where they make China Ghana party as here. Who say Ghana empire or Ghana aye jumano. So betia Kennedy Japan bonnet sa MPP ba obemana ko prison. MPP ba obemana ko prison. And there Ibrahim Mama Utiano operator and work 7,000. I said Ghana need to 7,000 ma Ghana ni ba enye. Nti Ghana hana ade ya de pa e de bakro we mu no. Omo pe a wa ukrom ni bra o ya de pa na to na otwetwa nnem. Mpanyimfo na omo ho na omo ye pesanu kumnya. Pesanu kumnya recently ya Commander Sugar Factory. Enye ye no mu di echeche
In network be bad, make we bring somebody else. Comment your name, keep commenting, I'll bring all of you on. Comment your name, I will bring you on. Chale Ghana for the yedimu dia grow. Na mo yedimu life ni dia grow. Me ni Ghana o. And I me de me nyach me Ghana 1 week. And 3 days. Yedimu dia grow. What do you say I grow on? Yo. Yedimu people are not ready so be ye juma mamu. People are ready so be ye juma mamu. That is the leaders are all. Uma ready so be ye juma show mu boto. Momo onu na edi mu di agro, and amu de mu di say agro. You know be funny o. Make sure you have good internet before you ask me to bring you on, please. Why? Make sure you have good internet. I had the move dear grow okay my life over. Big man.
Cody,
Big man alpha.
good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Emi ade ho ya na mo so e.
Big
Ye de me ta hwe program pa ba na me first day maba live video bi say. Thank you me das pa. Me cho bi aso hwe sa. Ke odi waka asamatie pa. You see your whole point in as Ghanaians no Africans here. What do you call it? Self-ignorance. What I say. Yeah, mpese obi koso ye ne ya. We fa say nua ko mienu. Me example me bra. Me di kamba bro chance me bla bla bro chira. Obodu amount say 1 2 3 and man koso and kata sem. But who say the way a normal koso tuntu po yetimi kasa ntini dey e support ye ho. Could you imagine say me answer me bla maka say be try me nchen. Na me support for my because of if you be friend ya bia say wo hin. Waka me omi nua kuma nchen no. I'm the worst enemy. And he said, Bibi said 18 to the real brother to brother say now. About Bontin say now the leaders know. Idea said they're good beneficial for the youth, they will not accept it because they say like his own brother. Yeah, and then past say last 2 months and I say me call Berlin, yes Ghana Union Association, we call me share me money din MP wo. Obodu MP ba no, wo hwa car the normal and dress now the bar like public never show no say or into power and any politician war into power no. And I've shared the way they live in a cost of fear now. What you said, they just take our more than yansa ne ye super ye omu ye muano no mabatra no my enjoy no but they say like out of it. Me, I believe that Nawan will come back. Now Nawan is coming to surprise Ghanaians that here Oyo Obia just Oba say Africa Yeniansa Ghana Yeniansa was canting me a fiscal youth no my wisdom muska my wisdom life. No, Nawan he was a street, he was a youth man too. He has a blood, he has the feelings, the pain for the youth. And he said Obi was Nanawan who Nanawan says David Goliath, David Bekun Goliath, Sammy. And then the main thing I can upon say no matter how is it, the David will not reach that front there, but that one will never because once Jah gives, you can never take it. Respect.
the youth need their youth in air who no cry no. So youth know who no cry no. Sometimes I want to bring people on, but video ain't need more way so send a request. If you say send me a request, send request, request. Say you want to come on the video, say now because some of you need video attached to way so send me a request rather. Why? Yeah, send me a request. Shatta say you don't have video attached to your way so it means me fraud. So rather send me a request. So I mean to me, fair why patch say me fault. You don't have video attached to way.
Yeah, bro.
Alpha.
Adeo.
Maybe go.
Charlie. Yeah, cool, bro. What they happen? What these people they do? Charlie. It no be easy. With the hustle and kasa. They know they watch anybody. So me a day your back. The prayers we they do. Opana go calm down. Opana go calm down. No problem. The hustle or they make it they pass through. We day in back. When a money or luck, we the hustle.
Bro,
Small with the
your money where you lock. You hear apart from they say you are greedy with where you go invest where we Ponzi scheme. Anybody explain the Ponzi scheme to you?
bro. They know they do anything they benefit me.
They know they do anything where they benefit me. I go vote safe, I don't get anything. But this be small one, I go put somewhere, say, me to make a chop small. But it turn bad because of somebody where if you say it get power. You dey bad. So me, we dey pray. We dey pray, things go be. Yeah, sure. Sure. Thanks up. Yeah, sure.
Customers no save him the customers them no sleep. Oh. And you see, we know they forget our money. If them things say they will go wait the election time they come before they go can they give people their money small. You they lie. You be you with your obey ye be. All we want say any you see you no cut in us. Anything else in the say there no person or yeah. I'm taking it from there. Now Pia Mesa has not declared himself bankrupt. On car say we declared who bankrupt our own niska. He never. What you say? He never declares himself bankrupt. Number one, never declared himself bankrupt. So, untimi catch is so niska. Or no catch also niska. Number one, babe catch also niska. Or babe catch also untimi ntiao. He never. Mediobia baso. In network, you're bad. But their network is bad. That's the thing. Make sure you have good network. Jerry Patrick, I'm bringing you on. Mantimia for one by Patrick say your network is bad. Vanessa GH, you don't have video attached to your way, no. Enter mean to me for umbano. It's because you don't have video attached to Udino. What you say? Alright, you can try. Me friend Shatter crossover. Shatter crossover. I think say my friend one back, but me friend you.
Oh yeah, killed it. What's up, Charlie? Yeah, this thing that go on. Charlie, if you pay for what? Even this guy self talk. What be name? Prophet Bedukobi. I mean, yeah. The time we talk, that when I think CCA, Charlie. Ghanaians in part the part. You understand? You feel me? Yeah, cause Ghana, if they still say somebody to go on, understand? That's what he did about Ghanaians. Understand? See this Canadian Japan or whatever they call them. The party they hate and not appear keke. He just this campaign and keke. Understand? Yeah, you make them, you live all right. Why say you know the one somebody to help the kids or the generation that they come? You follow me? Yeah, it be all be skin pay. The Ghana leaders, they be all be corrupt. From the MPP. I mean, them all be corrupt. See, make I tell you something, right? Some some months ago, some how do you call them? Some MP come here, right? Charlie, the man can spend 40,000 in the store. Charlie, me a shock. Some MP come Jersey here. MP come New Jersey, right? He called my guy, be where you go meet him. He spent 40,000 in less than 45 minutes. Where you get that money for? You know, be Ghana money in the shop. Charlie, me Ghana, Ghana, they be corrupt. The MP, the law enforcement people, them all they be corrupt. Charlie, me I don't want to talk too much, but Charlie, Ghana no be good place. I tell you, the leaders all be corrupt. Only now they be all. You say, I don't hear you. I tell you, them more. From the MPP, there or yeah, that can them people, Lord, Charlie. So my brother, just keep it up, all right? You're doing a great job, all right?
It be the truth to the talk. So when see be your cup of tea, be your own matter. Your the non-foul you go talk no go stop us from doing what we they do. You understand? We they do our thing. We know they see nobody. We know they watch no face. We they do our thing. So it be up to you day back. If you write, the only thing I have to do is I go fit take this my small time and
Yes, sir. Cool. This our people, this our big people here. We the suffer here. Like we the suffer. We the youth here, we the suffer.
I see how you do.
We the suffer here. Like you know be joke, oh. You know be joke. We the suffer here. Nothing they go on for here. This the Kufuado government. Chala, fire day our top. Fire day our top. But right now, the only hope we get way for praise, we the praise say Nam go come. Because Nam this man's goal, I don't want to talk child. But now it check like now it be way it survive we. And like and na ye nyame free wa men's goal ni ye nyame. Because adwuma ni ho yemfa wa adwuma mu ubi bia ni aba mu ye few just like inti men's gold was la obia to me ye bi inti men's gold pe any ye nyame ana ye ne te Ghana inti men's gold ko ye men's gold omo ye men's gold sa na bro hwe me wo shop o anyama me ton and e wo ya better ha to say like 1 week now just common 100 Ghana akwa na nyenyan just common 100 and so me yi bills ban ebeji wo me nchen a ebe shock o somebody kitu ebi kra ye di besi kwan ko omo beji omo di almost 1000 Ghana nyenya chese bibia nko na KOD de bia me ka se me danyame ase se this man's gold issue came you have been there since day one ya da wasi bebre nyame shroud for obisu no bisu Canada me that's it.
Oh, you see the way people them they suffer. See somebody like this, now they get small from men's good. Right now, see, see what they talk. See, it be sad though. It be very sad. We they take this thing a joke. Maybe some of us, yeah, we juma, Emma and see kappa. So, but she uncle for the way uncle for bread. So the way uncle for the air bread organ. Very sad though, Ghana for very sad. Omo deɛ omo ka nkwasa sɛ me nkɔfo ɔmo akɔhyi wi ɔmo ni adwuma bi ayɛ a ɔmo aba Facebook they also want to say something. Very sad Ghana for very sad. I believe say mo working together as a team. Ghana for mo working together as a team. Na Ghana yɛ baako pɛ. What you say? Ghana.
Charlie, what's up?
Ade o big man, everything dey outside.
Oh, everything they cool. Charlie, you know something. I want to say something small about the men's good thing. When a big man, as you do the video right now, when they watch you, then they watch you, Papa, because they know say with the youth, we can't see the light. And one was an amazing thing is that, say we get some people where they depend on the politicians till they survive. You see, so those people know if them all shift go NAM in there, which they already did, invested their money at NAM, okay, and now they are getting something small, and now, excuse me for my words, that shoddy works and foolish work they will give to the youth to go and do, the youth wouldn't do it anymore because they say they as a skakakra aba. What you say? And say, when I'm a scabber one and one, or I could do same phone. When I'm a scabber one and one, obedi politician ichi. What you say? For me, I'm not for MPP, I'm not for NDC. As some of that honor, and I was a yaka.
Yeah.
The infona, I just don't understand it. What you say? Say no krebu or what? Omo can share. Say the bear 1 hour when sick I that honor. To me in your will back. But I say almost the scanner almost seasonal, almost the Juma enya invest interest and asset. Scanner government as season. That's my question.
The property ni cry say omo seize omo liquidate say any be nyade no maka for so mo ga hwe.
Omo kan hwe, yente hwe. And I make us say update now with the mayene e boy power because see no
Correct.
government is not saying anything about number one again. They just want people to forget about the issue. What you are saying? They want people to forget about the issue. And Charlie, big ups for keeping the fire burning. Why?
Because issue
Keep up for.
perform to me forget issue no. Issue be. Oh my, you have no mama yeah hard earn money. You forget it. Nobody will forget about the issue. Vanessa, I know you are desperate to come on the live video, and since you can't call me, please let me pen down a few suggestions. You're really doing a great job out there. But all those calling make suggestions to how they supporting the issue. Gone are the days where I pray come on. Our voice has to be heard by enemy. We all should team up and our voice be heard. Now we'll go for peace walk. We are paving the way with prayers. Let me tell you. Before obey peace work, Miss Anyama Nina, over Bompine, at yes, prayer first, then find your media man. Apart from that, you better call for peace work. No, we are praying till Thursday, which is now one birthday, Thursday. We are praying till Thursday, So please, my year with prayers, no, only group, a Telegram group. We have over 1,000, I think 1,200 members in the group. Most of them, I believe, are customers. So join the group. Who's joining the group now? Big man.
Hello, KOD.
Big man Alpha.
Adeo, bro. First of all, I want to thank you for taking this bold step to stand in for this man now. But there's one thing I also want to say is that, you see, the big men in this country, they don't have the citizen at heart.
No.
You come government. Somebody they operate, nothing they happen. You come, then you can't sabotage the guy because of your selfish interest. See, if they think say we could forget this issue, then I swear that they lie. See, whether they go up and down, now go come out, and the guy will come and continue the what he's doing. Come on, if you can't beat him, support him. At least derive some knowledge from him. So why do you want to sink him? So it means that you want the hope of the youth to go down. What? You people they carry your kids, they go abroad. You people they do things. Somebody say he get your own money. This guy could have just go and enjoy, buy yacht, do anything he want to do. He said no. Let me open a company to support the people of Ghana, and that was all he was doing since NDC time. Nothing happened, but because of you, Ken Oforiatta, because of your own thing, your own selfish interest. Every day you dress white as if you be angel, but you are a devil incarnate, the devil's advocate in the name of this matter. If I think of it, it pay me because some of us we invest money into it, and then it was helping us. Out of that, I was able to buy a car for Uber. Now that you've stopped everything, how can the thing come? Sometimes I know they understand. I don't know what they think. They won't make we die or what. What did they do? The boy, the nam in be somebody in San or be citizen of Ghana. Just they punish the guy for no reason because he has a good heart. Because he's doing something that you people couldn't do it. What is your problem? Allow the guy to bring us work so that we could feel, so that the country could feel develop. KOD. It's so sad. But this matter, we not gonna leave the matter. We not gonna leave this matter.
Nobody deliver more. Bro, I say unless we die, I tell you, unless you say you woo. I say we just say you woo. Me catch you when men's go the same way. Somebody say I bet call offer. Never make you the apple. Just say this say moon team in Kebio. Some moon team in Kebio ma. And yes, so my bribe me. No credit so much because some moon to me bribe me. Never.
See, KOD.
In network the cut. Make we bring somebody on. This man's good issue there. He never Apu. He never go die. He never go would that issue way. Apu. Issue way would that. Issue way cut down that. Issue way yen jaimu that. Issue way KOD. Me stop he say me count that. obian to me bribe me obi earlier than your ma try 7 months ma try sir 7 months busi efu fi o ma ko sir obowa make odi puto I'm the last person I'm be me discuss me nye de mo meti moto sa mo meti moto sa mo. God bless you all for today's video. Only group now. Pacho link you know on my page. Telegram your friends a prayer group. Yeah, bomb pie man nam yeah fasting and prayers. Yeah breaky and at 12. But prayers koso till 6 p.m. Yeah, yes, till Thursday. Nam birthday yeah Thursday. Yeah, yes, till Thursday. Yeah, bomb pie say government cry to me nyashe maya nyame dear nyame baby be mine. What you here? Nyame be ye bibi amaye. So there's a Telegram WhatsApp way. There's a Telegram WhatsApp group. What you here? Me see Telegram WhatsApp group. A Telegram group. You can join. You can join the prayers. Me power cho. Join the prayers. You know, the next one, Ghana time 1:30. Ghana time 1:30, which is like 45 minutes, I believe. That's our next prayer. You bonfire for an hour. What you say? You bonfire for an hour. And come on, say nkofo be brave. Your doors na you sugu nyame so a. Oh you sure say nyame on answer you. Obey answer. What you say? God will answer us. There's no way I be to egu nyame so a on answer you. Obey answer. What you say? So come on, join the group. We've got the only weapon we have now is prayers. What you say? The only thing about me asisa nyama ewo Dubai amanam prayers. The only thing about me yinam if prison prayers. Enya even anado enye obi enye nipa honde enyamia honde. What you say? God will work through people but enyamia honde. So guys, join the prayer group Telegram. The link is on my page. Call me page now call down obehu link click on the link and join the prayer group. Why? You bump it till Thursday, and then Tuesday we have tomorrow. Tomorrow, and a big fast. God bless you all.